This is Scrapbook.com, and we are looking at some stencils from Momenta, and these are really neat because you can use them to create custom shirts on paper, kind of on whatever you want. So these are some of the 8" by 8" adhesive-backed stencils. So you can peel them, place them on your project, and then use whatever kind of paint you need for the project you're using. So be it fabric paint, acrylic paint, whatever it is, you can put them over the stencil with a brush, and then once it's a little bit drier, peel up the sticker and you'll have the stencil inside. So really cool. There are tons and tons and tons of designs from Momenta in the 8" by 8". So make sure if you like these and are interested in them that you go to the search bar at Scrapbook.com and you type in Momenta stencils or Momenta adhesive, and these will come up for you. So now we're going to take a look at some of the other stencils or templates in their stencil collection. Here are some more adhesive screens, so like templates from Momenta, and these are monogram mix and match. So you can get a monogram in them. So this one's G and has a few different sizes of G in just the letter shape, and you can go through the whole alphabet and find the perfect monogram for you or whoever you're making a gift for, etc. And then these ones are nice because they have the 3 different styles as well. So you could get enough to do your friend's monogram in different sizes. So this is the AAA, NNN, PPP. So you can get them all, and then you would have a variety of different elements to make a circle monogram. So really fun. Again, these ones are adhesives. You'd peel them off, put them down, put your paint or element on top of it, and then peel them back up to reveal the monogram. So next we'll look at the brushes that you can use in the Momenta collection, as well as some of their paint. So now that we've looked at some of the templates available, here are some of the paints available that you can use with the templates. So there are a lot more colors at Scrapbook.com, so make sure you search for them or go to the Momenta section and take a look. But I wanted to point out like a few colors that I really liked. These are all acrylic paints, so you can use them on other projects too. It doesn't have to be with stencils, but they're really thick acrylic paints. They're non-drip. There's some metallics. There's some more matte colors, variety of colors, and they're non-toxic too. So really great. And then with them, there are a variety of brushes you can use. So we have a stencil brush for the smaller templates. We have a slightly bigger brush, and then a really big brush, so you can pick the sizes that you need if you're making huge pillow projects, you're doing a little bit of detail on a card. You would want a really tiny brush. So there are a few brushes as well that you can grab from them too. So now we're going to take a look at some more stamps that you can use with the acrylic paints. We are looking at some foam stamps from Momenta, and these can be used with their acrylic paint for patterns on shirts, a lot of different options, really fun foam stamps. They have a couple different new alphabet sets, so you'll want to go and search and take a look at all the alphabet sets. And that also comes with a handle to stamp, which is neat. And then I just love this big rainbow one. So many designs, tons and tons of designs for whatever project you can imagine. And then I wanted to show you a few smaller foam ones. We have this really fun nautical scene. We have a butterfly and a flower. Then I really like this cacti and succulent one too. So there are all sorts of designs. Make sure you go to Momenta's section on our Scrapbook.com website to see all of the tons and tons and tons of variety of colors, designs, different stencils, different brushes, all of that for all of your creative projects. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!